my first big case was a personal injury case. I don't even do them anymore, but it was a husband who had a newborn baby, and he was sitting waiting to turn into his driveway, and somebody hit him from behind, some kids who were waving at their friend and never saw him. And he said it was, I remember it well because he said it was different than every other time he'd heard somebody hit the brakes. Usually it's crash, and this time it was crash. The guy didn't hit the brakes until after he hit him, and he hit him so hard that his head popped out the back of his pickup truck and bent the frame. I remember having some of our law clerks carry the frame of the truck up to trial, and ended up having a very nice verdict. And I remember doing the closing. This trial changed this whole guy's life. He was a very outgoing guy, and because of this accident, he couldn't even pick up his baby. And he used to be able to do a backflip with 3 twists, and he worked at a outdoor type store and was into camping and hiking and a rugged lifestyle, and this changed his whole lifestyle. And I remember doing the closing, I got a little choked up, and Judge Gothrop, who was, for a young attorney, I was pretty young back then, he was kind of a scary judge, and he was up there on the stand when I was trying this jury trial, and I was doing the closing, and I got a little choked up about how to change his life a little bit, and stopped for a second. And I remember Judge Gothrop took his glasses off and took out his handkerchief and was dabbing his eyes, and I was like, oh, I think this is going well. And we ended up getting a very nice jury verdict. So that was one of my first big trials, so that was fun.